Hello everyone, today I'm going to share SAS University Edition how to tabulate in the order you want using Proc format procedure. Let's go. First, I want to create a table to summarize the mean invoice of each type in the cars dataset. If you are not familiar with the Proc tabulate procedure, please go back to my previous video. In this code, class type, I did not have any option. So there's no order option. Let's run this code. So we can see we have a type no order. This is the title no order. And for each type, we get the mean invoice. For each type, the type is ordered by alphabetical order. And then I want to reorder the type using the original data order. So I add /order equal to data. This option will let SAS to maintain the relationship between the types in the original dataset. Let's run this to code. So we can see the results when I order with the original dataset relationship. The SUV is first, and then sedan is the next. This is from the original dataset order. So let's check the dataset. We click the library, My Libraries, SAS Help, and Cars. So the type first is SUV, and the second is sedan, and then sports. So we have SUV at first, and the sedan is the second, and the sport is the third. Now I want to order type by frequency using this option, /order equal to freq. This option will let SAS to output type in the order of decreasing frequency. Let's run the code. When I use order equal to frequency, SAS outputs the highest frequency first, and then the lower frequency in a descending order. Now I want to customize the order. Neither of these three is what I want. I want a totally different order. How can I do that? We need to use Proc format to reorder the value. Proc format is the format procedure. In value is to let SAS create a format called type in to read in the data. So we have 6 types in the original dataset. I want the sedan to be the first, and sports to be the second, SUV to be 3, hybrid to be 4, vegan to be 5, and truck to be 6. So I create an in format called type in. And then I create a format called type out using the value keyword. In value is a keyword to generate an in format, and value is a keyword to generate format. So here I create a format called type out. I want 1 to be sedan and 2 to be sports and so on. Make sure the in format sequence is identical to the format sequence as the way you want. We can run this. So we see the in format type in has been output and format type out has been output. So we successfully create the in format and format. Next, let's create a new dataset. I create my cars dataset. Using the original dataset, SAS help.cars, I create a new variable called my type. This is the new type with the sequence I want. So my type equal to input type and type in format. So it will convert the type into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 value. And then I label my type to type. Let's see what this variable looks like. So here we see the output data. The last column is my type. So we convert the character type to 1, 2, 3, 4. The my type represented the order I want in the summary table. Let's create a summary table of me invoice for each type using my customized order. I use my new dataset and then replace all the type to my type. In addition, I use format keywords. This keyword will apply the character format I just created, called timeout, to my numerical variable for my type. Let's see the results. So here is the order equal to custom. So I set 1 is sedan, 2 is sport, 3 is SUV, 4 is hybrid, vegan, and truck. This is exactly the way I want. So we successfully create a tabulate whatever order we want. We can change this proc format, these value orders. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye.